now. Yes?
Yan, we're in Paris! And here's our hotel. Set up lang ba ba?
We made it.
Kita ba? Kita ba ang Eiffel Tower? Hindi. Sa first floor. Yeah. So, ito lang yung view. Pero, walking distance lang naman yung Eiffel Tower. Nasaan yung CR? Ah, this one pala. Ooh. Okay. Paano to isindi? Paano isindi? Can you help me? Parang kakaiba ang mga ano nila rito. Yung nasa taas kaya? Yung mga, yun ba? The heck?
Ano yun? Ito?
Ayan, may pintuan din. Ano tong pintuan natin?
Closet? Ay, washroom. Magkahiwalay.
Magkahiwalay.
Pretty good.
In fairness. Also, ang daming tuwalya. Hindi sila matipid kasi meron ding ano to? Body lotion. Ayun. Shower cup. Ang dami din. Tapos may shampoo at shower gel. Pretty good. Maganda to. Ay, ito ba yung blower? Hair blower. Hindi ko rin alam bahala. So, ayun na nga. Kakain na kami.
Hello.
Anong pangalan nito?
Melty? Melty.
Something. So, yung mga tinda nila dito is mga burger. So, okay lang. Fast food daw siya. Since, punta na kami ng Eiffel later. So, yun. Mamaya na lang kami kakain ng sarap talaga.
It's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing. Don't worry about nothing. Nothing now. It's all gonna be.
Ay, ato.
Yan ba yung kanina?
Yeah. Hello.
Girl! It's the Eiffel Tower! Photos pati. Pero I think this one is also good. Kasi gitnang-gitna.
Gitna. Oh.
Yeah. Love!
Hi. Our Andy. Turn around. Eiffel Tower.
Oh.
We're gonna walk close to it later.
Yeah, for the photo shoot. But first, what's your impression upon seeing it in person? So like, yesterday you saw the mini Eiffel Tower.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so what can you say?
I don't know. What's the point of this building?
So actually, we can go up there then to see the aerial view of Paris, but we weren't able to book it kasi sold out na siya. So like 1 month before you go there, here,
You should book it.
ano na din, close to sold out na rin. So yeah, let's walk closer to it. So I can now my outfit. Hello kids, this is your future mom and dad. This is your future mom and dad, or this is your mom and dad in their 20s.
Eiffel Tower, everybody.
Yes. So yun, nahanap mo na ba yung punto?
Anong punto ng Torre?
Oo.
Torre na to? Wala, Torrete.
Shootik. Yan, okay. We're trying our luck to get a ride on the Eiffel Tower. Saan ba?
Doon yung toilet, sa amin.
Doon? So, saan ba ang bilihan? Guys, nasa ilalim na kami ng ano, ng
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower. Look at that. Sana may ticket kami, you know. Oh, there's the toilet. I need really the toilet. There you go.
Yung toilet?
Ha?
Yung toilet?
Di ba yun sa taas?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Nakalula.
Ha?
Nakalula.
Nalula raw siya.
Kaya lang.
Oh my God, I think we should take a selfie here. Okay, just a moment.
Are you student? What do you want?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Two adults.
C'est devenu une course là. Oh là là, une course, c'est une personne.
Oh, pakyat na kami. Just by the stairways.
Hi.
There you go.
Eiffel Tower. Only the second floor.
It's fine as long as masabi mong nakaakyat ka. Diba?
Road rolling.
Girl, hingal ako, be. Hindi ba to yung first floor, ah? Tapos sabi hanggang second floor daw kami. Yung ate mo ihing-ihi na, girl. Ang ganda. Kita ko yun sa baba. Oh. That's the second floor, I guess.
Yeah.
Pucha. Ayun, toilets, ano? Dito, to the left. Why is it like up here? It's like the normal thing wherein there are restaurants. Oh, that's beautiful though.
The bag.
No, I need toilet. Ito men, women. Oh my God, para ako natutumba. Answer me, how they were able to build this?
Huh? So what's the point of this tower?
Postura ko after umakyat sa first floor. Girl, first floor pa lang to. There's a lot of stairs already. Pagod ako. Okay, ihilang ako.
Chris, I'm just gonna get that line.
Stairs. Scary God.
Picture na. Picture pa nga. Ito ang pendant? Hindi na?
Wag na siguro. Ayun, so merong, ano tawag doon yung glass na ano. Ano ba yung sinisipon na ako, pasensya na. So meron din mga kainan. And then, mahal, anong tawag mo sa ganito na nga, oh? Igloo ba to?
Saan? Saan?
Yan, ito.
Saan? I don't know.
Igloo? Is that an igloo? I don't even know. And then, we're going up to the second floor. Pero bakit ang kulimlim? 'Di ba? So, ganyan siya. Imagine, it sparks curiosity with me. Like, aside from curiosity na Renz na anong silbi or anong purpose. Dito ba, love?
Ano ba? Paano ba yung ticket natin?
No, until second floor. Is, paano nila nagawang magkaroon ng restaurant dito and everything, di ba? Okay, akyat tayo.
Belfort Power.
This is not Belfort.
Part 3.
Ooh, what the hell? That's the whole Paris. Wow.
Our hotel is over there.
So city.
Bijo. Na bijo. But okay, that's fine too.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ready to shoot. Let's go. Yes?
Almost there.
It's the light at the end of the tunnel. Ano yung ano? Kanal ba?
Yun yung nasa baba. So yes, finally, baby.
We did it.
Ang ganda ng view dito. So nasa taas na kami.
Ano yung kanal?
I mean, hindi pa masyadong mataas, but this is the second floor and it's so tiring going up. And there's the view. Whew. Alam niyo, dito yung hotel namin. Yun! Nakita ba? Yan, yung pinakamataas na yan. Nandiyan, yung tapat ng hotel namin. Dito kami ngayon sa Let's go up. Ayun, kung magka-canal cruise ka, napakaganda rin kasi kitang-kita mo yung itong Eiffel Tower from that. That's my husband. Making sure that he captures every beautiful view of the Eiffel Tower. This is not in my bingo card in 2025. And haganto ako kasi isipon na si ate girl. But I'm still trying to enjoy everything here. Oops! What's that? Look at that. Rolling. That yellow one.
It's the elevator.
Oh, it's the elevator. Okay, I'm gonna show you all the views. We're in Paris. He's wearing my jacket na.
Tingin ka dito.
Hello. Saan tayo?
Ay, dito tayo. Loves? Doon na tayo sa baba.
Okay. I'm in Paris. Don't you worry about me.
Ay, sorry, Loves.
Ooh la la.
Naano ko na ganun ko. Ulit.
I'm in Paris. Don't you worry about me. Ooh la la. Paris at Here. I should show you as well.
That's awesome. I wonder if we can watch that game.
I will. Good question. Kami ng Eiffel Tower para manood siya ng ganyan. Oh. What the fuck?
I'm just taking a rest, taking a break.
Taking a rest is appreciating the view in front of you. Why are you watching?
You're right. Hinintay ko yung sunset eh. Let's go there. To the sunset.
Sunset. Mantalang kanino wala na siyang balak panoodin.
Yung?
Sunset.
What do you mean? Sabi ko 7:40.
Yeah, and it's still not 7:40.
Ang ganda mo naman.
I wish hindi ako sinasakit.
Pinasakit? Grabe ka naman, love.
Yeah. I do? Ang init ko kanina, hindi ba obvious?
Akala ko ulit. Yeah, I was making a joke of sinasakit, pero that's a bad joke. Hi guys, it's lighting up. Atras tayo, tayo.
Wow! Wow!
What is that? Spider-Man webs?
Ana, petróleo no está. No, no.
Mariana, que vengas ya.
Night. This is the night view. So, kita nyo naman yung ilaw. And then, turning around, you can see. Ta-da!
There's the golden. Right there.
Find out the golden. I think it's the... Oh! Wow!
¿Viste? Se ilumina todo.
So every hour.
Oh, wow! It's 8 p.m. I don't know what time kami nagpunta rito.
Walang
Love,
ilaw.
nakailang oras na tayo rito?
Too much.
Yeah, like, anong oras tayo umakyat?
The akyat only took like whatever.
Tapos inabot kami hanggang alas 8 na. So we spent the half day here.
Pretty much.
Yeah, it was so nice.
It's worth it.
Yeah. And there you go, that's the view. Pagkatapos niya lang mag-light. Baba na tayo?
Yeah, baba na tayo.
Okay.
Search ko muna yan.
And this is the second time Umiilaw siya.
Ilaw-ilaw.
This time buo na.
We've been here for 60 hours already.
And 1,000 minutes.
That's right. Divided by 24.
Paris!
Paris. Hindi pa rin kami kumakain, by the way.
Yeah, and wala pa kaming kakainin. Kasi priority namin ang Eiffel Tower.
Wala na sibat. Oh.
So yun na nga. Grabe. I can't believe ilang oras kami tumambay sa Eiffel Tower. But it's nice because nakita namin yung pailaw niya.
Ano pa?
But it's time for food. Yeah, Salondeda restaurant. Okay, gilid tayo.
You can go to your bag if you want. The needles is settled. No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Steak there. Okay, ready to eat.
Yes.
This is what it's like in the morning. At 8 a.m. 8 to 9. So there's no people. We're just the only ones walking around here, and we're going to the Louvre Museum, and we're gonna ride a bus. Yeah. Look at that pigeons.
Squirrels.
Ay, skulls. Alam mo, lahat ng ganyan na nakikita ko, sinasabi ko pigeons kasi hindi ko talaga ano po anong tawag sa kanila. Wow, look at that. Ano na nga yan?
Yung Hotel del Invalide.
Ah, hotel pala siya. Pero tignan mo naman yung top, napakalaki. Nang nasa top of Eiffel Tower kami kahapon, grabe kitang-kita siya, like ang laki niya. So yun, lakad muna kami. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Pero nasaan yung ano?
Louvre Museum?
Ayan na siya? Oh, that's why may monolith sa doon.
Diba da?
Ang lalaki nun. Teka lang. Saan yung ano? Yung parang triangle. Yung ano? Triangle.
Sa labas. Pero construction.
Okay. Tell us something about it.
The Louvre Museum?
Yeah, it's a square, no?
It's a square. There's a bunch of blue in it. Louvre Museum.
Okay. Ikot tayo dyan ka lang ha sa point of reference.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Very big. Oh, wow.
Yung ano ko nasa yun na, no? Grabe. Naging ugly duckling naman na ako dito. Dito yung... Ba't tayo nasa labas? Sobrang haba na ng pila. Without a reservation pala yun. So dahil may ticket kami, we're gonna go dun sa may... Dun sa kabilang line, which is sobrang haba na rin. That...
And for the museum, Louvre.
Hanapin namin si
Dito.
Mona Lisa. Ha?
Wala pa dito. is that?
Dito siya.
Naka-open nga siya, loves. Ha?
Okay, hunting ko kami ng ano ni Mona Lisa. So, sobrang haba. Lahat yan painting and this as well. Hoy, nasaan na tayo? Ayun, ito. Yung sinusundan namin, 7-Eleven.
Ito ba?
Dito. Doon daw. Dito raw, di ba? Hindi ba siya yung nasa gitna? Okay, I'm gonna find my spot. To Mona Lisa. Sorry. Hindi siya.
Ayun siya.
Hindi eh. May ano eh. Ano yung tinitingnan nila dyan?
Yung big painting.
The find my way. Para itong presyo ng hindi. I-on mo na agad.
Naka na.
Tapos, punta ka na agad sa
Eh,
Alright, yeah, should I work? No.
Oh shit.
Be careful.
Nasaan na? Ayun. Finally, my dreams come true.
Come on, put up the thing.
good?
Wait. Naka-on na ba yung camera?
Naka.
Wait lang, hindi pa tayo tapos video.
Mona
Natatakot.
Lisa.
Ay, isa pa.
Naka-video. Swing. Just my time. Yeah.
Sa gitna na. Wala pa pala tayong ano. Wala pa tayong transition.
Baby?
Bakit kailangan mo siya?
It's like the small guy na nanalo against the big guy. Caesar salad.
Side view.
Bebe?
Wala kasi siyang kwento eh. Like title lang.
Mm. Ito, sino to? Laki naman niya. Ito pa.
Anong ginagawa? Picture?
Video. Taas, loves.
Ayun.
Opo muna tayo ngayon.
Natanggal ako siya. Maybe. Wait.
Okay. I don't even know. Crown of Louis the 15th, King of France. Ganda. Pure emerald.
Sparkling talaga siya, no?
Oo. It's called the French Crown Jewels. You ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Yan, ganda. Pwede mo hawakan?
Hindi, hindi sa lamin.
Masalamin?
Amin.
Real gold or no?
I'm not sure.
Hi, hello.
Nasaan na tayo, labi-labi? Yun, tinitingnan din nila yung parang putol na something. Halika, papakita natin. Sino siya?
Yung Greek antique.
Greek antique. Okay, let's go, guys.
Tunay kaya yan?
So, ayun na nga. Doon, ayun si Mona Lisa.
Ay, pagsapalaran po kami.
2 beses. Successful. Now, video-video na lang.
Cocktail nila. Look here lang.
Acceder está simple. Everybody must remain seated now. Permanezcan sentados, por favor, per motivo.
Wow, look at that fire!